this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. This is my February edition for Crack the Vault. This is a year-long collaboration that is being hosted by Jamie, Poetspice here on YouTube, as well as some other very crafty ladies. I will leave all of the links below to the participants for this collaboration down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out so that you can see what everyone has created for your inspiration. This collaboration is all about breaking into the vault and pulling out those crafty items that we have purchased and we have never used. Purpose is also to use items that you haven't used within 6 months or things that you just haven't used at all. This collaboration will be every third Friday of the month at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, I'm just very excited to be a part of this collaboration. I also have a playlist of my videos for this collab. I will leave a link to that playlist below. Don't forget to like the video if you like what I have shared to support my channel. Subscribe, share the video, like the video, hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Also, I'm on Instagram at ScrapPassion01. You can check me out over there. I'm not going to take up too much of your time because you have a lot of ladies to visit today to see what they have pulled out of their vault. All right, so let's get started. So this is what I pulled out of my vault for the month of February. So I pulled out some of these cabochons of the clock and the Alice in Wonderland. I pulled those out. I think I purchased these from either Temu or AliExpress. I can't remember, but I pulled that out. And I also pulled out the KSCRAFT 3D suitcase box. So I wanted to play with this. And yeah, it's fairly easy to put together. And I pulled out this paper by Country Craft Creations. It's called Tea in Wonderland. And this is also an item that I pulled out of my vault. I have never used this paper collection. And this is how my cute little 3D box turned out. I think it turned out so cute. So I went with the black and white paper. And then I used this festooning trim to trim out the box. On the front, I have this cute little frame. And then in the inside, I included the bunny. And then you can see like the Alice in Wonderland hat there in the back. I cut this out of the paper that says, I'm late, I'm late. And then I included one of those cabochons with Alice in Wonderland. Right in here. I thought that was really cute. I kept the design very simple so that I can showcase the paper. For my box, I omitted the strap. So it does come where you can, include a strap, but I just left that off and I just included a cute little button. It's like my little handle for the box. I wanted to bring out this blue in the paper. And so I just included these cute little bows here on the edge of the box. And then I included one of those cabochons. So I thought that was cute. I really like that. You can see the paper showcase. I love this black and white. So cute. And then it just opens up like this. And I included some shred here in the inside. I included some blue shred in the white and then some little gold strings in there. And it's a good size, as you can see inside here. And it goes down like that. And then here's the side of the box. And then you can see it here on the back. And then here's the other side. So let me know what you think of my Tea in Wonderland 3D KSCRAFT box. Like I said, it was super fun to put together. I will leave a tutorial, a link to a tutorial for this box in the description box. She really provided a really good detailed tutorial to help me put it together. And that's my time for you guys. Make sure you check out the other ladies. You can participate if you like by using the hashtag. And yeah, get in your room, your craft space, and pull out your products and use them. And that's my time. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.